Alright folks, Brandon Levi and Will Watson here from Evolution Muay Thai. Today we're going to show you another sweep, alright? And same position as we've been doing for the start, basically. First one we did the other day was this one, then we did this one, alright? Today we're going to do a different one. Instead of trying to trip him or whatever, all I'm going to do is step inside his leg, alright? Whatever hand I've got on the neck, I'm going to use the opposite hip. I'm going to pull in here, bump with the hip as I pull down here and turn. Very simple sweep, but very effective. Once again, it also sets up, if he defends it, alright, so I step in, boom, he defends it, he really has to stick his bum back to save his balance, which gives me that nice long knee strike. Alright, thank you very much.